Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check if Binance KYC is completed. So to do that, watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Binance account using the app or probably using the website. Then after that, tap your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and on the website over to the profile icon at the top right. Then click on information from the profile menu. Then this will take you to the identity verification page. Then after that, here you will see the status of your KYC, which is the identity verification. So click on verified your KYC is completed and approved. If it is pending, your KYC will be under review, and if it's not verified, you will need to complete the KYC process. And if you see pending or not verified, click on the relevant option to check for the required document or additional steps needed to verify your account. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to check if your account or Binance account is completed for KYC. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.